It's a 2008 Lincoln MKX. When it comes to your drive, you have to consider all the details: comfort, space, efficiency, safety. This Lincoln MKX covers everything perfectly. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, voice activation, driver memory seats, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com reports the MKX boasts a gutsy 3.5-liter V6 engine and plenty of headroom, legroom, and storage space within its cabin. Lincoln, luxury accommodations for your everyday. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.